Hello guys, today we'll be covering TOON, which stands for Token Oriented Object Notation. So I want to first go through the problem we're facing and why TOON solves it. So the problem is if you have a JSON structure like this one and you try to print it out to see what it looks like before giving it to the LLM. So as you can see, you're repeating the fields for every entry. So you have ID, 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 name, 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 and so on. So when you give this to an LLM, you get charged per token. So you can imagine that you're wasting a large number of tokens here by passing this JSON to the LLM. Now, the way TOON solves this problem is that it only mentions the fields at the beginning and the length of the array here, and then it lists them like in this way, and it's indented to how Python works. So you're saving so many tokens actually, because you don't have to write the name of the field every time. So as you can see here, I have it printed out. So the JSON cost us 84 tokens, whereas the TOON only cost us 34 tokens. So as you can imagine, we've saved well over 50% of the number of tokens, and thus well over 50% of the cost as well. This is why you should convert your JSON to TOON before giving it to an LLM. And I'll include this code in the description and on GitHub, so you can take a look at it and see how it works. Thank you for watching.